Hey guys, today we are gonna play Wolf or Other. So, we are gonna start. I haven't played this game. Turning the volume off, and yeah, so we're spectating now because we didn't join early enough, and there's only like 50 seconds, so I guess I'll talk to you guys. I have 141 coins. Okay, if you guys hear background noise, I'm watching. I'm watching the LOL podcast. Okay, now it's the game shall start. I'm sometimes bad at this game. Sometimes I'm good. Guys, I'm sick again. I hate being sick. It's so annoying. Hurry up. Loading map. I'm gonna turn. Okay, I'm innocent. I'm gonna zoom in. Oh my gosh. I feel like Benedict. Oh, there's the... I have the gold. Oh my gosh, I just died. Okay, yeah. I should have just stayed on the roof, honestly. Who's the wolf? It's... Okay. There's my dead body. He just walked over. Okay, I don't know who the wolf is yet. Like, what person it was. He just killed Oakley. Okay. He's good at this. Or she. I want to be the wolf. Oh, he's gonna kill him. Oh, yeah, he killed the hunter. Okay, game over. I was just gonna join another server, but the game was right. It was Elton. He's good at this. Well, they're good at this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. They killed everyone in like a short amount of time, too. I hope I'm wolf or hunter next round. I'm not a very good hunter, but sometimes I am. Look, if you go to my profile, I have 12 hunter wins, 63 nights survived, and 0 wolf wins. That means, I have never killed everyone. Good. I don't like the Winter Village. Most people do, but I don't really like it. I like the Great Manor more. My favorite is probably Forsaken in the Palace. I like the palace because it's so big, so there's a lot of places to hide, but it's also bad for being the wolf there. Okay. Oh, so close. Okay. I'm innocent. Okay, guys, I'm gonna, like, okay, I cannot go up the stairs. And what, like, why is my character so slow? I'm, like, sliding. Look. There we go. And right here, I'm gonna go to the, church. Because most of the time, that's where the hunter is. So, if... They just killed me and I wasn't even... It wasn't the wolf who killed me. I hate Holly. I hate you. I hate you. I hate you. You're so annoying. Why'd you shoot me? I wasn't even the wolf. Okay, I'm gonna leave the server. And join another one. Oh, not that game. Okay, let's hope I get into a server where it's just starting. Or it's about to end. Where I'm allowed to get in. 40, okay, I can do that. Okay, so this is your time to like and subscribe. And 5 seconds with your pinky finger. I'm gonna give you 5 seconds. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you guys do it? If you guys did, make sure you give yourself a pat on the back. And if you didn't, go ahead and do it now. I'm trying to make this game. It's definitely Fern. The wolf always has the gold. Oh, no, it's not. But the wolf always has the gold. And no one can get it from them unless you're the hunter. I love this game. I love this game. Should I say subscribe? Subscribe to my channel at carrot-23-J3R. Oh my gosh, I can't even say it. I can't say anything like that. Oh my gosh, this game is going on forever. Guys, what game should I play next? Sorry guys, I was watching the TV. But, y'all, so I'm just gonna turn my thing off. If you guys add me on Roblox, I will add you back, and you can join my servers, but you have to subscribe. And yeah, and at 1,000 subs, I will do a face reveal. Maybe not a face reveal, maybe just a name reveal. Maybe. It depends how long it takes to get there. I want the Forsaken, but everyone's voting for that. And I don't want to vote because I'm saving up for a thing. Come on, guys, come on. No. Oh my gosh, I hate the Winter Village. It's fine. I hope I'm the wolf. Oh my gosh, I'm innocent again. Sorry, you can't really see in here. I literally hit him. Did you guys see me? I literally hit him. I said laterally. Guys, we're gonna leave this. Okay, well, oh, yes! Okay, good, because this was a good thing in the video, because if I was just innocent the whole time, then wouldn't be very cool. So I'm the wolf. Like, baby girl, I wanna get in Drizzy. Go Drizzy. Okay, where are the people, bro? Like, I need to find them. It's already at 50 seconds. Like, baby girl, I wanna, like... Oh my gosh! Guys, I'm so annoyed. I'm so annoyed right now. I literally, like, went on her. How did she not die? This is so annoying. This is so annoying. I hate this. Come on, like, we get it. Yeah, I just did a bunch of those. I was following him. Okay, guys. Well, that's it for today. So yeah. Oh no. Okay, well, bye.